Hello, my name is Leo Hurd,
Mia Williams.
and we're from Denton ISD's Lagrone Academy. Today we'll be making the Incredible Sorbet. First you cut the ends of the kiwi. And then you're going to use the spoon to trace around the inside of the kiwi and remove the skin. You're going to dice each kiwi and set them aside. Next, you're going to get your strawberries and remove the leafy tops. And set those aside as well. With adult supervision, add your fruit to a blender along with your water, honey, and lime juice. Once everything's added, you blend until smooth. Once smooth, you pour your mixture into a mixing bowl and freeze for 1 hour. Once the mixture is frozen, you can scoop it into a bowl and enjoy.